As you all know, Vizag has rich tourist destination places, and so this is quite far from Vizag. So we have come started in the morning around 7 o'clock, and this monastery opens at around 9 o'clock. So this is 9 o'clock, and as you can see, everywhere around it's still foggy and it's quite cold also. So we are the first people to enter to the premises. So चलिए चलते हैं. जो आप उधर देख रहे हैं उधर पे that is like the Buddhist monastery. So come, let's get started. It's just a few steps, not much, about a little altitude, and here we are almost there.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows? Only time. And who can say if your love grows as your heart shows? Only time. We Who can say why your heart sighs as your love flies? Only time.
So basically this is located around 30 to 40 kilometers from Vizag, and this area is near Achyutapuram. Basically this area has all these industrial estates and petrochemical and pharmaceutical industries, but this area is like prehistoric, which is like thousands of years old. There was no display whatsoever. This is an Indian archaeological heritage site, but it is also listed under ASI and intact, but there was no hoardings whatsoever about the history of the place. That is one thing that I found missing here, and other than that, the preservation and conservation was also not up to the mark. It is the property is protected, but much care needs to be taken. The road access roads were also not that good, so we had to come through a cobblestone area, not cobblestone, it's like a under construction road area, and then we arrived at this point. This is the highest point of this small hillock where thousands of years ago the Buddhists came to pray. And just before, as you have seen, we went into the worship area where there was, in this cave, there was the sculptures of Gautam Buddha praying and all his disciples along with him. There you can meditate inside that cave, and this area was the residence place of all these monks. This is similar concept to Nalanda and all the other Buddhist places, but in Vizag you can find many Buddhist monasteries actually.
This area is the hostel.
Yeah.
These
These are actually rooms.
individual rooms. The door and one place to keep the lamp for the light.
That one.
Yeah.
Actually, these had roofs, thatched roofs, or temporary roofs.
They had roof.
No, it is. So many people used to stay here. Well,
Part of them are made of stones, which is inbuilt in the hill, and part of it is made with bricks. You can see these bricks. These were custom-made bricks. We don't have this kind of bricks nowadays. These bricks we saw in Nalanda also.
yes,
The same similar kind of dimension.
yes.
These are flat bricks with a broader area.
I just imagine how they used to spend time in this. There was no electricity, no light, and still they used to be here in the caves and pray.
They found peace.
Yeah. They were frightened of nothing. We are actually like, we were scared, like, it's so. Not scared, like, we are afraid of such a lonely place. But yeah. We came along, and this is the village. Is this monastery? Yeah. searched about this place, and it seems like this area is it dates back to 4th century to 9th century AD, and it was excavated and many archaeological things were found from here, like potteries and everything. So can you believe it? It's like 4th century to 9th century, it dates back to so long back. And the Buddhists, they had cut all these rocks and they made monasteries, and the ancient Buddha sculptures are the most important part of this area, as you have seen in that. We will sit here for some time and then head over back.